Can't see any material gaps around there, which is good, isn't it? If you look at that, that's the original, yeah?
Yeah.
Put it up against that, you're a good, what, 1/8 of an inch wider there? See?
Yeah.
Quite a lot wider. So what you got to do, they see those bits that stick out here?
Oh yeah.
That's what your moulding clips into. But you've got to try and spread all your rubbers as you're trying to, and you can't, they're not clipping, you've got to fucking bang them on with a big hammer, you know, a rubber hammer. And it was just an absolute pig to get on. That took me 2 days to get these on. Yeah, it's just very, very, very awkward.
And obviously putting the washing up liquid in to try and...
That helps it a bit. It's all just little bits and pieces, all helps it, you know, pushing some weight down on it. And a lot of it is you can't do the screws up tight. You can't do these up tight because it's designed to move.
Okay.
It will contract and...
so you've got to give it room to move.
With the heat and cold, it will move, it will shrink and...
So if you do that too tight, it's going to crack.
Yeah, it's got to have room to move.
Fun times, huh?
Fun times.
That's one of the trickiest parts of the car done, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah. Whether it's watertight or not, who knows, but... Nice and bright and breezy. Yes, a lot of fanning around, but once you get it right, it looks good. This is as it was trimmed, so I've left it because you don't know what excess you might need somewhere and not, you know. Right, so we've got to put this in. Hold our switch. I'm not bothering cleaning all of this lot immensely at the moment till it's all sort of in there, you know. That bit screws to that bit. You've got to try and make sure that those two chromes, because you can put it on up there, down there, line up with those two chromes there.
Yeah.
So I know this one's about right, so 85. 85, yeah, it's going to be pushing it. See where all this is shrunk, so it's already got holes in it, so you've got to be a bit careful what you're doing. Right, let me find my podger. Right, you can't see any of the holes there, so that'll work. Look, see where it fits. Right, so let's get our top trim moulding. Now we've got to take the back window surround out. Right, now for the next fun and games bit. We've got to make staples to put this together. The trim that goes on here,
Yeah.
you have to staple it on, but we haven't got a staple gun that'll do it, so you have to make the staples. And we'll try and get it so that the chrome is the only bit you can see, really, like that.
Yeah.
So again, like the last ones I did, you want to drill it around about, see where that lip goes up. So round about there. And when you've done one, you go and get your glasses. Because you can't bloody see what you're doing.
Okay. And now how many have you got to do?
5, I think there is along there. Well, can't see any material gaps around there, which is good, isn't it? So basically we're just mocking the fence up just to see where there's any material gaps that we need to trim up, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. That is proper 1950s, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? Ooh, check you out.
Onwards, driver.
So what's your opinion? What do you think? Fits in nice?
Yeah, that's fine. Just, we'll either try and, when I take it back out, we'll either try and drag that forwards a little bit, or I'll just put some cloth under there, but can't see anything anywhere else. Obviously this, but like I say, until we get the carpet. Like the seat base is here, and then you've got a hinge there, that's a small hinge, and then you've got the other one that comes down with an arm like that. So when you fold the seat, it doesn't fold like that, it folds like that. The seat swab, the back, yeah?
Yeah.
Instead of just doing that,
Yeah.
to try and get in the back, it pivots over there.
Oh, right.
So you've got more room to get
Okay.
in the back of the car.
So we need to measure up for carpet then?
Yeah, I need to do that, but I need to get all of this shit out of here first and lay that mat in properly. I'll finish all that wiring under there, so that's done. further down. Well, it should have underlay in it. That'll bring it all up a little bit, but not a massive amount.
You start from the middle and work out?
Glue all the middle in. But then again, if you put underlay under that, you're not going to glue it. It won't hold. So
If there's underlay, how does it fix then?
don't know. But it would have had underlay. Underlay, rebar. Well, it should be moulded. It's probably lost its shape. It's been, I don't know how long it's been sitting, rolled up in a cardboard box, you know.
Yeah.
What I might do is lay it out in front of the heater.
Yeah.
Just see if it gets any shape back in it.
Next week on the workshop.
There really isn't a lot you can do with that.
What's your thoughts on it then?
Well, it's not dangerous that at all. I mean, I can try and cut that out. I suppose I could cut it through and then weld it. That might be a way to do it, yeah. It's probably safer to do that.